looking for you all night. Ako pala si Jason Abad, concert producer. May audition ulit kami.
Ay, May. Natatakot na kasi ako pumalpak ulit.
Practice lang yan. You can do it. Mas wholesome. Mas current. Are you okay? Just be yourself. Try it.
Abot kamay ang langit.
As I've said before, you have the most beautiful voice.
Just be yourself.
Miss, ikaw yung sa auditions, di ba? Ang ganda mo pala.
There you are. Sabi ko sa kanila, you will sing Abot Kamay.
Mas maganda yung We Belong. Yun lang yung kantahin mo.
Ano ang gusto mong kantain ni Jenny? A. We Belong. B. Abot Kamay. Vote now!